Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell your products directly on Instagram? In this video, I will show you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram shop in just a few steps. First of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on settings, uh, click on sell channels on the left, then click the plus icon or on the left and add Facebook and Instagram. Click on that, then install and connect your Facebook account, Facebook Business Manager, and your Instagram business profile. Next, Shopify will sync your products to your connected Facebook commerce account. Make sure all your products follow Instagram's commerce policies, no restricted items. Once synced, Instagram will review your shop. This can take a few hours to a few days. Click on get started, then connect your account from here. Once approved, go to your Instagram app, open settings. Once approved, go to your Instagram app, open settings, then business, and then go to shopping tab and select your product catalog. Now you can tag products in your posts, reels, and stories directly from your Shopify inventory. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Instagram shop. Follow for more Shopify tutorials and drop a comment if you need help. And thanks for watching.